Um, Thank you for watching. We're going to write our first Python. So I would like you to like and share. We're going to be learning Python, you and I, every day. So I'm starting from the beginning. So what I've learned from every language, the first thing they will teach you is to write, your hello world statement. So in Python, the easiest language so far as I've seen is the syntax, the simplest syntax. It's like English language. Everything is in English language. So if I want to write my first Python statement, I'll say print, and then I'll give it my name in the, so print, and I give it Elvis, and I run that, and it will print my name right there in the console, Elvis. So that is our first text. Or if you like the hello well as your first statement, you can do that also, hello world. And if you run that, it should print hello world. So that's your first Python lesson. Now, there's so much you need to know about the print statement. The print statement is a function which we will learn later in our journey. But for now, you should know the print statement itself is a function. So let's say you were trying to log in your in your Facebook. You have to put your name and your password, right? So how does that happen? Well, there's a thing called in programming in the back that's called input. So let's say the place where you put your name, they name it name, and then they'll give it an equal to, then they'll say input, so that the user is going to put their name on there. So sometimes they just put right there, or sometimes they will remind people that the name go there. So the placeholder will be input, and then in there they just put like a name, so you will know that your name goes on there. So input name goes there, and then the next input, let's say password, they wanted you to put like your password on there. So they'll do something like that, password, and then they'll input password. So they'll say input, and then something in there like a password on there. So when you go into your Facebook or something like that, let's run this and see what I'm talking about. So let's print in here, let's print name and password. Let's just say print. Okay, let's try something. Let's say I am printing message. Let's say message. So I am printing messages. I am printing my name and password. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I put this in parentheses, and then I put a comma there, leave name, and then put an in parentheses, and then leave password without the parentheses. Now let's test it and see what happens. So if I click run, it says syntax error, invalid syntax. So let's see where the syntax error is. Okay, maybe I should. Let's take this out. Syntax. Okay, I see where it was. The syntax error. So let's say name, and then comma, password. Now let's try again and see what happened. So if I run that, syntax error, line 3. All right, so okay, I have to put a comma between that also. Run. Okay, so name, I'll give it Elvis. Enter. Password 123. For the record, I never use that as a password. This is just for, and then you press enter and then it locks you in Facebook. So hello world, it prints hello world. So now let's say if your name and password are correct, it should says hello welcome. It should says hello welcome. Welcome, and then it should say name. It should say your name. Hello welcome, and then it should say your name. Okay, so let's say it should say hello and then it should say your name. So your name. Now what I'm going to tell is I'm going to say if. So let's run that again. So it's going to say name. I'm going to give it Elvis and then enter. Password 123, and then it will lock me in into Facebook and say hello Elvis, something like that. So this is our first Python lesson. Let's catch up again and do this again tomorrow. Thank you for watching.